Now this is the tea bag folding art. It's the art from the from Dutch, and just papers. Yeah, and it's done. It if you don't have these tea bag folding papers, you can definitely, there are many different papers available. I'll show you the tea bag folding papers. They are just the design sheets which are available. Like this circle ones. Then basically it's an art from Dutch, and it was originated as can you just it was originated just to form a bow or a tag basically, and that lady didn't have anything except the tea bags, and she had just created a bow out of the tea bags. That was the starting. That way the art has originated. So I'll be just showing you, there are n number of styles of doing this. I will show you two basic styles of this thing. I'll just and I'll show you. See, these were the things which we had done. The greeting, different types of greeting cards where I had used different folds and all. I'll just show you. We are supposed to cut these circles. Now if you don't have if you don't have these sheets, you can always do it from the newspaper, or especially those newspaper which have a glossy finish, the magazine papers. You can do from that, or you can do from gift paper, gift packing paper as well. Anything that is available. Show you how to make see, first we fold it into half. The circles we fold it into half, and whenever you're doing, you just do flat on the table. You fold it into half, then again don't fold it exactly into, means you just pinch on the curve side. Just pinch on the curve side, and from that pinch you just give a fold this way. This is the way we are making one petal. Same way we would be going again. Fold it into half. Again fold it into half and crease it properly. Again fold it into half, but just pinch it on the curve side. this tea bag folding can be done by kids also, of around, say, only the cutting is a issue. Like if you can cut and give them, even 6 years old child, 5 plus can do this tea bag folding. Then the other art forms that I teach is mixed media, then altered art basically. Then we have dream catchers, yes, dream catchers. Then trousseau packing, gifting all home decor items. And I also take customized customized orders as well. How many are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. Yeah, 10. Now we have all different calligraphies. The pen calligraphy, that is the regular calligraphy. Then the pencil calligraphy, and even the brush calligraphy as well. So if anyone is interested, can get back to us. The latest one is that drawing analysis and watch therapy that I'm teaching. See, now I'm just making a small tag. Now this you can do on cards, paper bags, as the wherever you want. See, these are the 5 that I've stuck. Then the other 5s, like, see, even this also looks pretty enough. Just tell me the messages if anything. The other 5 will be putting them, inserting them inside. 1 minute, just show this. So it's like we are making a 2-layer flower. Open the door, otherwise that connection issue will come again. This is the 2-layer one. Now this same way you can make 3 layers or 3 layers to make it more fluffier. And pretty. Now same thing, like with the, this is with, I've done with the circle one. Now we can do with the square one. I'll show you that. See, this I've done with the square pieces. This fold. Just show you with the square ones also. Today, due to a bit connection problem, I couldn't keep my. Ashu, can you just give me the cutter? I'll just cut it from with my cutter. Cutter must be here only. Give me this cutter, no, beta. Am I visible? I doubt. Actually, don't change that again and again. I'm just cutting squares from this sheet. Sorry, actually, I didn't know this, one more thing, if anyone is interested to get visual or analysis done, drawing analysis done, can send me a drawing on my number. I just mentioned the number, the comment section, or I'll just, you can write it down, 88505 17485. If you all want to do your drawing analysis done, there is an offer going on till the lockdown period. I will be free drawing analysis will be done. Wristwatch analysis will be done till the lockdown period. So you can get back to us for that. And if you want to learn, that also a provision is available. Now with the square one, I will show you. Fold it into half. Again fold it into half. Now open it, fold in the triangle in the opposite direction, from the right side. Fold it in the triangle, one side and the other side. Now just turn it, and as you will do, you will get a water bomb base done ready with you. This is called water bomb base. Okay, so just by doing this also, like fold it into half, open, again fold into half, open, turn it, fold it into triangle. Only once is okay, yeah. And just when you twist, when you turn it towards the right side, you will get a, if your creases are proper, you will get a proper water bomb base. This is called water bomb base. They look so simple, but when you create it, people get into just get shocked how it has been created when the whole flower is created. A whole brooch is created, brooch you can say, or a flower, or a tag. Thank you, Manisha. will just put down my number in the comment section. So, or you can actually, it's visible even on my page also, Hobby Crafts. So you can get my number from there and you can reach out to me if you all are interested in learning any of the art form. And if you all want, if you are interested to send in the drawings for the drawing analysis, for that you're supposed to have 6 elements drawn in that drawing. You're supposed to do the drawing without using pencil and eraser, directly with the colors, whether it is sketch pen, crayons, or color pencils or ball pens. So that on that basis I did it, and really I was very happy after its completion. Yeah, now these I have done. So now I'll just show you how you can go ahead. This I'm just going to interlock between them. See, we have water bomb, these I'll just interlock between them. Okay, so our different, so I just apply glue over here. Sorry. And just this side is up, so now the next one we would be putting over here. Sorry, this way. Okay, the same side should come up, so I would apply glue on the, see, on this lower side. You can use Fevicol or anything. Now comes the next one. Again, I would put them in the slot. Apply glue on just on the lower side. Thank you, Hina. Today I have my kids helping me out, especially my younger one, Parshva. Yeah. Now comes the, no, still one more is needed over here. the last one. Just see that last one during you just take that above, because our so here our hole is ready. Now this you can put on any card. Here you can put a stone or a bead, and you can put on any card or any tag for decoration, or instead of bow you can put it as a bow also. So yeah, so I think I have just, and if you all want to learn more, and come up with so yeah friends, if you all are interested, and if you all want to learn more in this, then you all can definitely get back to me. Not only this art, but there are many different arts which I am teaching, so you can get back to us. And hi Alpa. So now like I would be winding up even this